Enthusiasm. An enthusiastic person has a positive spirit, is cheerful, and happy. My friend Brad is enthusiastic. He always thinks of new and exciting ways to get things done. Enthusiasm means doing something with all your heart. People like to be around you when you're enthusiastic. Enthusiasm makes the dullest tasks go faster. Ugh, today's my turn to do the chores for the family. Every time we are sad, tired, or bored, we need to take a deep breath, smile, and think about how to turn our situation into a positive one. Enthusiasm is an ability that needs to be built within us. Use your imagination to find the excitement in everything you do. Make a list of things that make you unhappy and decide next time they happen to smile and respond calmly. Show your enthusiasm and excitement when someone shares something wonderful they did. Aren't I on my test? Wow, that's amazing! Enthusiasm is an attitude. Little by little, we become stronger and build up our mental muscles to be cheerful and positive all the time. Lead with enthusiasm. If you help others in distress, do it cheerfully. Strive to become a source of harmony, spirituality, and joyfulness to the heart. Be enthusiastic no matter what.